Hey folks, it's Ralph with Stray Benzes. Today's topic is how to change the mast, the extended mast on a old Hirschmann antenna. A quick tutorial how to do that. There's another video of how to get the Hirschmann antenna casing apart, and on this occasion I'll show you how to unscrew and replace the antenna mast. So in the other video I explained how to get the cover open, and in order to change the mast you need to get yourself a kit like this. That is the whole thing, a replacement mast. There you go. Do yourself one favor, never ever lubricate this. Keep it dry, because this is just going to get sticky and nasty. The only part of the mechanism that ever gets lubricated is this part here, the little drive cable. Anyhow, once you have this, now you can get the mast out of this unit, and what you're going to end up having to do is unscrewing this screw here, taking this mast out, and then you can see it's not going to go anywhere, and you need to fully extend the housing mast until it won't go anymore. There you go. See, there's a little rubber gasket that we're going to have, but that is, there we go. There's that seal. And now that we have this mast out of here, the other thing that you will need is a 13mm wrench, and then you loosen up this part up here, and there you go. And now you can get the whole mast out of there. I've got another one prepared, another one that's busted, so that I can go ahead and show you how to do this. This one here has a broken off tip, same thing. You need to, it's actually pretty easy to disassemble this one, because the rest is just going to fall out. But now this one goes into here. There you go. Screw that back in. Don't need an awful lot of force. There you go. Good. Here we go. Now, this little rubber grommet that seals at the end of the antenna goes up in here. Like so. And now I can go ahead and put this part back down in here. I hope you can see that. Let's go into here with the toothed side like so. And now I need to reverse the motor, and now I need to feed that back in there. There you go. There we go. There you go. Then I screw this back in place. And now, there's usually a notch down in this, because this part here needs to point towards the back, because the cable is coming from the front of the vehicle, so this one needs to go back. So you can put the ground cable in there, and voila, down in here you can see there's a notch that this little screw goes into. There you go. And you've successfully fixed this antenna, the antenna mast, and provided that the controller is still good, then you're in good shape. Replacement masts, make absolutely certain that you get masts where the tip is crimped on and not screwed. I've seen really cheap ones that have screwed tips on it that you lose after a couple of months of using it. And well, make sure also when you clip the case back together, and further assuming that you have a good controller, unlike here, there are 6 rubber grommets here, here, and here, that they're in place and that they somehow are in place before you close this, and make sure that there's nothing obstructing any water that is draining from up here to come out. Otherwise you'll have another mess on your hand, and that's not cool. But anyhow, good luck with trying to get your Hirschmann antenna fixed, because they are definitely worth their while. You know, there's a small correction. In my haste, I actually forgot this tube that needs to come out of the old one, or stay with the old one, because it's not really something that you're going to replace, but it also needs to go on here, in here. So I gotta redo this one, but that is another one. That's what this rubber grommet is for, that goes down in here when you're done. So sorry for the confusion. All right, another episode is in the books. Happy wrenching. Give me a like, subscribe, and recommend it to others so we can keep our classic cars on the road. Happy wrenching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.